This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection is painless. Make sure your MacBook is updated and has enough free disk space, because performance depends on system resources. Put the Quest 2 into developer mode via the mobile app, then fully charge or keep it plugged in. Install Oculus Link or Virtual Desktop on your MacBook now and download any required drivers. This prevents handshake errors later. Once done, gather a USB-C cable or verify strong Wi-Fi for wireless streaming. Now you create the actual link between the MacBook and Quest 2. If using cable, connect USB-C, then accept the USB debugging and pairing prompts inside the headset. This lets your MacBook access the device. For wireless, make sure both devices share a 5 GHz network and position the router near you, then open Virtual Desktop Streamer on the MacBook and the app in the Quest. Next, tune resolution, refresh rate, and bitrate in the app for a balance of image quality and steady frame rates. Finish by launching a VR app and confirming gameplay feels smooth. Check that the headset runs at the intended refresh rate, such as 72 or 90 Hz. If you notice stutter or dropped frames, restart both devices and ensure all firmware and software are current. As a focused troubleshooting tip, swap to a certified cable or lower the streaming bitrate. If wireless, move closer to the router or switch channels to reduce interference. Once stable, you're ready to enjoy VR on your MacBook-connected Quest 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.